quote from you, it's all about the audience. When you tell stories to agents, managers, and producers, that doesn't happen.
I guess the way audiences experience stories just like regular people, they have an emotional response, their disbelief is suspended. When you're telling a story to people in the business, it's almost like everyone in the industry is a magician, and you have a magic trick, and they all already know how the trick works because they work in the magic business. And so they always look at tricks like a magician, not like an audience member. And so your agents, your producers, all the rest of it, they can't experience it the same way because they have been paying too much attention to how tricks work, that they can't suspend their disbelief and just see the trick and go, oh wow, how'd you do that? The marketing part of, like, if you're writing a story and it's a really good story and it is not marketable, it's probably going to be harder to get made. If something is marketable and it's a good story, it might be easier to get made. But, and I think I've made this mistake, sometimes I think you can be too focused on trying to write to the market. I think you can be, like a friend of mine who's like all into whatever the new thing is that people are into, and they will then chase that genre. And it's, I don't know, it seems like an empty errand to me. It seems like you're chasing your tail, because if you can recognize a trend, then it's already over. Because by the time you're jumping on that trend, it'll be done. And like when I wrote a vampire show at the height of all the vampire shit, not out of marketing, just out of, well, if everyone likes these vampire shows and I don't like any of them, can I have one that I like? And so that's Vampire Mob. Vampire Mob is a show that I would like. People continue to find it. And it also, I think, people's perception changed because there aren't a million vampire stories now. So when they see Vampire Mob now, it's different than it was 10 years ago. And that's kind of cool. Like, time changes the story.